support and resistance level with the help of fractal and with the help of dynamic SNR. What is dynamic SNR? How we can use their dynamic SNR in our strategy, and sellers and zone. What are the effects in the market when the price reaches to the sellers and buyers zone, and how the false breakout happening in the zones, in the ranges of the sellers and buyers actions, how the false, we can recognize the false breakout with the help of the sellers and buyers zone. Most of the mentors just they give the study about the sellers and buyers zone, how to take the signals and how to take the trades in the buyers and sellers zone. But my study is different in the sellers and buyers zone. I only just suggest when the price is reached in the sellers and buyers zone, it make a false breakouts. So we
Uh-huh.
have to aware about that false breakouts, and we have to wait on when the price is come and reach in the zone of the buyers and sellers. It means this is a awareness that we can wait what, because price will react crazy in the
Yeah.
zones. So in the zones, price will act crazy. We don't know the price will go up or the price will go down, because in the range, buyers and sellers get pressure from each other. So in that pressure, we can understand when the where the price will go after breaking any range any support sellers and buyers zone. So it's very attractive topic I will teach you today. So how we can plot the sellers and buyers zone, and how we can trade these sellers and buyers zone. Most of the traders or most of the mentors just use the support and resistance area or the range for the trading, but I use in another way. Okay, and we are starting from this fractal SNR level. So how we can find out the fractal SNR level? So how it's working fractal SNR level, and yes, so Euro USD is more stable currency in the binary world and the forex world. That's why always I am using the Euro USD pair. All other pairs are
Because of
are not
amount of
unstable.
volume.
Hello.
It's because of the volume, yeah?
Yes, because of
Volume
the
of
volume,
trading.
liquidity. So always I am trading only in the Euro USD, because when we use the concept, when we use the rules, all the concepts are meeting in the Euro USD, because this pair is mostly traded in the world. Euro USD, not others. This is the pillar of the forex and binary options. This asset. So that's why always I am using, always I am teaching, while teaching, I use this Euro USD pair, because this pair is very stable pair. Very, uh, so in this, so now just we before we starting other topics, just we clear the fractal SNR. So fractal SNR, how we can use the fractal SNR can be get from the period what we period selecting in the fractal indicator. So if the default period is the 5, but we can use 11, we can use 17, we can use 21, we can use 25. It's up to our strategy, that what strategy we are using. But the default period of the fractal is 5. So 5, why 5 period? Why not 6 period? Why not 8 period? So the fractal only give us a signals in the combination when, look at now, when there is the 5 candle look like this, when the
Okay.
middle of the candle is a higher high look like that, so the fractal can be appear here.
Yes.
And in the downtrend, if we found this type of formation of the candles, if the lower low, if this middle candle is low from these two candles and these two candles, we can find a fractal here, fractal
I
arrow.
see.
So this is just
Yeah.
a formula of the fractal. So in the middle of the candle, if we select the 5 period, 5, it means we can divide 1, 2 here and 2 here. and we find the 7th fractal, it means 1 is here and 3 is here and 3 is here. So this one is the middle candle, and 3 candle left, 3 candle
Right.
right side. And if we
Yes.
say this is a 25 fractal, it means 1 V left on the top and 12 here and 12 here. So these 12 candles low is lower than this high. Okay, and this 12 candles low or high is lower than this high. Then we can get the fractal here.
I
So this
see.
is just a middle of these 25 candle are 20 are only 5 candle. The middle, if high or low, we get a fractal. So this is just a formula about the fractal. So we find out here the higher high and higher low between the candles, that we can understand that where is the fractal. So if we say this is the higher high of these two candles, to 500, so we can get a fractal on this level. Okay, so there the fractal can be appear here. And if you
Exactly.
say this is the, if this is the higher high, so we can say these two candle and these two candle is lower, is low from this higher high, so we can get a fractal here. And in other sense, there this two candle is above and these two candles are above, and this is the lower low, so we can find the fractal here. So now
Yeah.
we are plotting this indicator. So this indicator will give us a clear information that where is the fractal. So look at where I, so there is a fractal, there is a fractal, there is a fractal, there is a fractal. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So the
Yeah, I
meaning
get
of
it.
the fractal is when middle of the candle is lower low, or middle of the candle is higher high between other left side two candle or left side right side two candles, then we get a fractal. So this fractal can act as a support and resistance level. So this is the now that this fractal can act as a support and resistance level. So in the combination of this fractal, I gave you the idea about the support and resistance with the color change. That thing will clear you about the whole concept of the support and resistance. So look at how
Okay.
it's clear the whole concept.
So it give us an area. Am I right?
Area. So if we say this is a color change area, it means the one line is the opening price of here and the another line is the higher high of this fractal. So this is the area, this is the range. In this way, this is the one
Yeah.
area because the color change, and this there is the another area of the fractal. So this is now we have a get the range of the support and resistance. It means if the price is if price come and reach in any type everywhere here or here or here in this, we can assume that the price can go down because this is the range of the support resistance line. In this sense, the opening price is here and the higher high is here, so we can get this range. So this range will work. In this sense, the opening price is here and the lower low in these two candles is here, so we can get a range here. So this range can work. In this sense, there is the opening price is here, a color change, and the another level is here, so we can get a range of the support and resistance level. So when the price is closing between these range, the next price can go up and can react or reject from these levels. So this is the just the support and resistance of the fractal. So this fractal support and resistance working, and if we combine with the color change area, we get a range. Okay, when the price come in the range, maybe the false breakout can happen, maybe the price can reject it, maybe the price can break this level, get the support level from this range. So this is only about the range of the support and resistance. We get two lines. Before we understand only when the color changes happen, there is a one line. But now
Mm.
combination of the fractal, we get the another line also. So this is the range. So now you can understand about this fractal and this the color change area, the combination. Okay.
Yeah, very good.
So this is about the, look at when this price is reaching here. So now when we get this line here, the price is broken this level. The price is broken this level. So now we have idea that the price is broken, next price will goes up. So next price will goes down because of the breakout. Okay, but
Mm-hmm.
when we combine this fractal SNR, so now we have idea that this is the range. From this range, price can go up. If the price cannot touch and reject, so maybe the price can go up. When the price is coming again in this area, the price goes up. After a breakout, the price gets the support from this level and then goes down. So now there again a breakout happen of this range. The next price gets a support from this level and goes up. But there is a gap. So in this gap, there is a support and there is the resistance here. So the resistance is round number is very strong from this level. So then the next candle is going down because this is the shape of the look like as a spinning top, but this is not a perfect spinning top. But it gave an idea that after this candle, maybe a evening star can be appear on this level because all the support, all the patterns in the market, all the patterns are appeared on the support and resistance level. So if you identify that where these patterns are appearing, all the patterns are appearing on the support and resistance level. Without support and resistance level, this pattern cannot appear in the market. So if you find the engulfing, it's appear on the support and resistance. If you find the hammer, it's appearing on the support and resistance. It means all the patterns are appearing on the support and resistance. So there is a support and resistance. If we find this type of weak candle, it means there is an idea there that another pattern can appear on the support and resistance area because this is the area, also this is the area. So there's this is all about this fractal support and resistance. We can take the examples from this support and this. What is another benefit from this support and resistance? This fractal area. When you are in the live market, if we are in the live market, so this arrows give us an indication that be aware there is a support, there is a resistance. So when we sometimes we will forget that there is a support or not, but most of the 95% it give a color change area identification. It means there is a color change that we get the arrow, color change 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 arrow. It means it gives us an identification about the color change SNR also. So this will give us a very too much benefits while we are trading in the binary option in the current week. Okay.
Yeah,
so after that, so now we have clear about this thing, and this thing will give us a benefit in the trading. But now we have any other support and resistance levels also. So we must know about other support and resistance because the setup is still completed. It's still not complete. We want a complete setup for the trading. So another support and resistance level is a dynamic support and resistance level. So we cannot say this is a dynamic support. Look at if this is a horizontal line or if this is the trend line. So these are the trend line support and resistance. This is the horizontal support and resistance. So now we want a dynamic support. So dynamic support cannot move look like this levels, this level. The dynamic support levels can move look like that. They have curves. They're not going slopey, look like the trend line. They're not straight, look like this horizontal line. So these are the slopey, these are the curves. Sometimes we go find the curves here. So that's why we are using the dynamic support. The dynamic support, when price is moving everywhere, when the price comes from this level, we can say this is the dynamic support. So this dynamic support comes from the moving averages. Every type of moving averages there is a simple moving average, exponential moving average, WMA moving average, every type of moving average. These moving average give us a signal. This is give us a message about the period, what period we have select. If we select the 50 period of the EMA on the simple moving average, it means it gives us a 50-minute back. 50-minute. We are on the first 1 minute time frame. So it gives a 50-minute back. 50-minute back information. Then the 50-minute back information, and compared to the back 50-minute on current, we are at here. Look at now on the 50 moving average. So this is the 50 moving average. Whatever moving average you select, it's up to you. Every moving average, every period can work. So it means we are here. So we are here now. and the moving average is below and going to and direction giving us upward, it means that if we compare this current time frame and go in the 50-minute back, so we are in the uptrend.
Yeah.
If this moving average is above this candles, so it shows that 50-minute before, if we compare the 50-minute before candles and now candles, it means we are in the downtrend.
Yeah.
And if this moving average is running between these candles, it means the 50-minute before we was in the range. If compare now price and 50-minute before price, it means this is in the equal or near to the equal. So these moving average gave us information about the market trend, market direction, and also these moving averages are give us a information. So why the price is getting support from this level? There is a one concept. This moving average now shows that 50
Yeah.
minutes before we was on this level under this readings. So if we count
Yeah.
the 50 minutes before, so this information says that we are here, we are equal on this price, we are at the break even point of this 50 minutes before. So this when the price close on this level on the break even of the 50 period before, so the next price can get support from this level. So this support we can say this is a dynamic support. So
Yeah.
when price come to this level, the price can reject, price can react, price can go up, can goes down. So this is the uh, dynamic support. This, if we find this type of support, so we can get the ideas of the support. So we can find the recently breakouts or recently support resistance to use this type of support and resistance. So this is the idea. If
Yeah.
it come here, so this is the idea. Be aware that there is a support level. 50 minutes before there was a support level.
And also
So
it's combined with other
yes, then we can get the idea. So then we can aware about this thing, and it will give us a chance. So now in the dynamic support and resistance, we get a dynamic support and resistance plus a trend direction plus a market information. The market information is what? The ranging market. If the price is between this moving average is between the candles, it is the ranging market. So market is going to range.
Yeah.
So one thing, it gave us the market information ranging uptrend, downtrend. Another thing, it gives us the support and resistance levels. So it means it's working as a dynamic support and resistance level. So all the strategies, all the things are, if we compare with the moving average, it means this all the things, all the strategies are the consist with these moving averages. These moving averages is very powerful.
Yeah.
So
Exactly.
without if I say where I am here. I am in the uptrend, I am in the downtrend. I don't
Up.
know. But when I zoom in or zoom out chart, then I can say, if I don't looking at the moving average, then I can say, oh yes, market is going up. But when
Yeah.
I'm here, I'm not just I'm looking at the moving average. So this moving average gives me an idea that you are in the uptrend. So only
Yeah.
take the uptrend
Exactly.
options. So it means this moving average gave us a clear information about the market trend, about the dynamic support and resistance. So these moving averages are very essential for the trading, very powerful, very beneficial for the trading. So I'm always using the 50 EMA. Why 50 EMA? Because in the binary option trading, the 50 EMA is enough for me. Or
Yeah.
200 EMA is enough for me. I'm not using another kind of moving averages to find out the trend. So it confirms me the trend. Sometimes I lose, sometimes I don't understand. Look like that. If there is a hair, so if I am here,
Hmm.
no, I cannot decide if there is uptrend or downtrend. But this moving average gives me an idea that before two candles you are in the downtrend. Now the new breakout is happening here. It
Yeah.
means
It
that
gives.
it said that before 10 minutes or 5 minutes you was in the downtrend. So the breakout happens. So after breakout there is a strategy. There is a study that after breakout the candles will come and touches the key level. If then it goes up, then you can follow the trend. So after breaking of any key level on the 50 EMA, we cannot consider there is an uptrend is starting. Next, uptrend is starting after a touching the key
Touch.
level. Go up, touching the key level, then go up, then we can say this is uptrend or downtrend. Okay.
Yeah. That's very.
So here, look at. I'm giving the example. So here we are in the downtrend. Price is going up, crossing the level, again going down. It means now again going up. So now we can say this is the breakout, and now when come and touches the key level, then goes up. Now we can consider there is an uptrend now.
Yeah.
So
I
after a
see.
breakout, we wait for the retracement, rejection, come to the key level, then it go in the same direction above, it go in the uptrend direction, then we can consider the uptrend. So this is all about this EMA. So in this case, we now cover trade and simple ways to find out the trade with the moving averages and dynamic support and resistance and structural support and resistance. So now the next topic is the sellers and buyers zone. So how we can identify the sellers and buyers zone. So sellers and buyers zone can be met, can be created from when the price direction is changed with any pattern, with any breakout, then we can understand how we can create these levels. Look at them. Now here I'm giving you some examples. In these examples you will find. So if we say this is the red candle in the uptrend, and before there was a green candle, okay?
Yes.
So this green candle is engulfed by this red candle. It means there is a breakout in these two candles.
Yes.
The red candle breakout. So now we get, if we want to use the seller's zone or the supply zone. So this is the supply. We get the line from here, and we get the line from upside. Where is the upside? Okay. So now this
Okay.
is the supply zone. For the next, when price come to this level, it make a false breakout. When price come on this level, we found the next level will goes down. So this is a false breakout. When again price come to this level, if there is a the price goes down. So that's why sellers and buyers are trapped in this area, because now if you are a beginner and you don't know about the supply and demand zone, when price come to this level, okay, reject from this level, you can say, oh yes, now this is the resistance level, now next price can goes down. At this time you are right, okay.
Yeah.
But when price broke this level. So now at that time, if you don't know about the sellers and buyers zone, so you say, oh, breakout happened, the next price will goes down, goes up more, the goes up. So, but when you place a call option, but when after find the price is going down. So that time you cannot understand why price is going down, because the breakout happened here.
Yeah.
So the traders, all the traders are trapped in this area. They say there is a breakout happen. Why this candle is going down?
Yeah.
They
I see.
don't understand this thing, because this is the range. This is the supply area, because the sellers are strong. Sellers are engulfed this candle in this area. It means this is the whole area of the sellers. When buyers come to this level, the sellers again will active and make this type of candles. So this is a false breakout. The false breakout is happening in the supply and demand zone. Same
Yeah.
concept for here. So now you are able to understand these things. So this is very important thing. Most of the traders are trapped in these areas. So if I say I'm making this zone, so this is a zone, okay?
Yes.
When price come to this level, when price is reaching on this level, okay, if the reaching on this level and it's make a look like that, so that time you are right to place a call option, okay.
Yeah.
But when price come to this level again with the small breakout, look like that, at that time you are following that price will going down. No, that time price will go again up. That time you will trap. Oh, why price is going up? Because there is a breakout. Why? This is the demand zone. In the demand zone, this whole area for the buyers. Buyers can enter from everywhere. They don't ask from you that we are entering or not entering.
Yeah, I see.
So now this is the area where the false breakout happened. We can say these two, one line above and one line below. This is, we can say, railway tracks. These are the railway tracks where the price is stopping on the railway tracks or breaking the railway tracks. The railway track reject the price immediately.
And one question.
Yes.
Let me draw it. On this one, for example, price comes and even breaks the level. Can we say next candle comes here and then rejects?
Yes. If the price break both levels, now we can say this is the correct breakout. Now the price will goes up, reject, and goes down. But
Oh,
there is another thing also. So sometimes we don't find this is a false breakout because there is a ideas about the false breakout. If the price is breaking more than 50% level, okay. So now we can
yeah.
say we cannot say this is a false breakout because the breakout is very strongly,
Mm-hmm.
okay.
Yeah.
But the price, the breakout, look, when you find this is the 70% above and 30% below. So now we can assume that maybe there is a false breakout. It means why? It means we have to wait on these areas. We don't
Mm.
trade on these areas because where the information is not accurate 50-50%, there is a 50-50% probability, then why we are taking these opportunities which are the ratio of the 50-50%? We only get those opportunities there are the ratio of 80 to 90%.
Yeah.
So when price come to this level, we have to wait. We analyze the price. After analyzing, we can place a trade. So now you the concept of the buyers and sellers zone, it means you are cleared, and the false breakouts on the sellers and buyers zone, now you are cleared. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's the next thing. So now we are finding
Hmm.
the support and resistance.
What is, so what are these?
These,
Yeah, I don't have.
yes, go in this section. Okay. This section. No, this, this. Yes, this. There are the width gates, okay,
Okay.
and there is a news, okay.
Ah, these
Enable
are
the
the.
enable the news. When the news is on this pattern, the when news is coming on this asset, there is a this type of identification. It means you know that the news is coming on this level. There is a news, there is a news, there is a news, there is a news. On the news, you will find this type of reaction in the market. So there is a news. I click this information. So this information shows me that there is a news. Oh, okay, this is the good news or the good bad news. How I follow this market. If you want to again read this type of news, go again, and click this news. It will come and it will give you information. So this is the about the news.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so it's very important when we know that there's the news, so we have to wait for the news. So if the news is good, then market is going up. If the news is bad, market is going down. So this is all about the news. Okay,
Yeah.
every time. So this is every time it giving us the news in any event, any identification. So sometimes we don't use the other application for the news, but this will give us a news, clear news that there is a news. FX, BFX news or something like it. Okay, so you can
Yeah.
enable this from this widgets and the news is enabled. So you will find this type of arrows. Okay,
Yeah. Very.
so now we are going to uh, There are different ways to plot these sellers and buyers zones. I will give you all the techniques so how we can make this type of sellers and buyers zones. So here, look at. So I say, if I say this is the zone, I can say I make the zone from this level. So I'm going to make this zone. A breakout is happen here, okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
and the next level is here. So now I can say this is the zone of buyers. So buyers started from this level and break out at this level. It means this is complete the zone, demand zone. Okay.
Yes.
When price come to this level, look at. When price come this level, it goes up. Okay. But when break this level and come in this area, the price is going up.
Yes.
When price is going this level, it react because of this buyer's zone, and come with their level, this that level again going up. When price come
Okay.
to this zone, it reacting. When price breaking this level, it going down. Breaking this level, going up. When reach this level, look at the price is reacting like a crazy in this zone.
Yeah, I see.
And price come to this level, it going up. So now do you get idea of this zone?
Yeah, exactly.
So that where the trader traps in this area, the trader traps, they put their hands on their head. What is going on? Why we cannot understand these things? Why market is changing their direction? Market will not change their direction without any reason. So there is a reason.
Yeah.
So market will never look at how is this zone is working everywhere. When price come to this level, look at the reaction, the continuation candles. In this way, it gives us a clear sign that no, we are continuing here. And
Mm.
another zone, if I say another zone, yes, here. If I say this is the zone, so the buyers, sellers break this area, okay? The sellers break this area, okay? Engulf
Okay.
with two candles and this area. So I can say this is the zone, okay?
Yes.
So now this is the zone. When price come in the zone, it rejecting. Come the zone, it rejecting. False breakout is happening. Understand?
Yes, and one question, Mr. Saf.
Yes.
Yesterday about this concept of breakouts, you told me like this. This is the key level.
Yes.
Why? Because this one breaks.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
But right now here, this candle is here, and this candle is far. I mean, there is a
It means there is a two kind. We get the patterns. eh, There are many million patterns. We just don't believe on this. The engulfing, when engulfing is appearing, there was a resistance. So we can get also from this. I will give you all the ways how we can get the how we can draw the sellers and buyers zone. I'm giving you
okay.
all the examples. So if there is a large engulfing candle. So how I can create this zone? So I'm creating this zone from these two levels where the breakout is happening. So I
Yeah.
will give you all the zones. Look at now, when price is coming to this area, look at, yes, price come in the zone and it's rejected. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is the first, the price in zone, and now this is the zone. In this zone, you will see that there is no stability in the market. The market is doing very bad. Okay, sometimes going up, sometimes one candle going down, one candle going up, one down, one go up. This is the not stability.
Yes.
When price come to this level, a breakout happen going up. So these all things are the, look at it. A price come into this range going false breakout. Come to this range, false breakout. Come to this range, false breakout. It's working, okay? So this
Yes.
is just the idea that this is the zone. In this zone, price when come, it make a range. So now the next step. When price come in the range, it make a ranging market. When price come to this range, it make a consolidation market. So where the consolidation market is happening in this range is only in this range my consolidation market can happen. So now this is the another thing that you understand now that in this range only consolidation market is happening, is appeared, is formed in this range only.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the now I'm going to show you that how we can make the support supply and demand zone in with different ways. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. It's very easy.
And
I'm sharing you.
also,
I'm
for the
yes.
traders, ranging market is scary because we have lots of zone. That's why it's scary for them. Most of them say it's avoid trading there.
Yes, before when the traders have no education, they like the ranging market. But after the education, after the understanding, after the training, they they don't like the ranging market. You know, this is the concept because in the starting when the trader is starting this thing, they like the ranging market because in the ranging market most of the time support and resistance is working, but in the trend market support and resistance is not working most of the time. So that's
Mm-hmm.
why, but in the beginning, the teacher, the traders are also like this type of. But I will teach you all the things. Don't worry, raging market also good market. I will teach you how to trade the raging market also. Okay, raging market is very good
Yeah,
market for
very
the
good.
1 minute and 5 minute trading. Yes, there is the things. Yes, these are the things. Just for me, and I will show you. Then how we can make the support and demand zones with different conditions. I will also make this PDF about the support and resistance zones. So slowly, I will complete all the works. But now these are just pictures. So if
Perfect.
you find this type of candle, okay. So there is a this type of candle. If you find this type of candle, so you make the higher high and the breaking of this sub bias area. So this is the supply zone. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
After
It means
that,
when the market reaches here, sellers are waiting there.
it means now when the sellers break the bias area, it means there is a buyer's area. This is a buyer's area, okay?
Yes.
And sellers broke this area. There is a breakout happen of the color change.
Mm-hmm.
This is when the color change breakout happen. We take that area, okay? And higher
I
high
see.
of that wave. It means this is the higher high of this wave, okay? This wave higher high is here and breakout is here. So we are finding the breakouts, okay?
Yes.
After this, look at this is the engulfing, okay?
Yes.
Where the price will going down, we take only this area, not taking these areas where the last price is going down. So this is the last price is going down from here, okay?
Mm-hmm.
This is, so understand now the price is
Yeah.
breaking from here and the lower low is here. This is the demand zone, understand?
Yeah.
In the evening star, in the morning star, the middle candle higher high and lower low is a demand zone or supply zone, okay?
Yes.
When you find this type of candles, so we cannot make this type of, when you find 1 2 3 4 5 6 candle to breaking this big candle, we cannot make the zone from here and here. So in this type we only taking the support opening price and this type of zone, this type of lower low. If you
Mm-hmm.
find this type of, if you find 1 or 2 candle you can get the breakout, but if you find this type of big candle and 4 candle in or 3 candle in this zone, in this area, so we just take these wicks also, okay?
One question, Mr. Saf, one moment. Uh, is the color important here? I mean, for example, there is. For example, here it means that the colors should be same,
Yes.
and here are same, and here are same.
Mhm.
So for finding zone, we should find 3 in a row or 4 in a row candles.
No, no. Just look at this thing. Don't follow all the candles. So this is the morning star.
Yes.
The demand zone is here only. Okay,
Okay.
and if there is a evening star, the demand zone is here, supply zone is
No.
here. Okay,
Yeah.
if this type of candle you find, you
Mm-hmm.
only find this type of, this is the buyer zone. Okay,
Okay.
if you find this evening engulfing with this type of wick, you find, so this is the supply zone. Okay,
Okay.
and
And
if,
one question, Mr. Sam.
yes,
Um, Let me draw it here. Sometimes we can find this one as a hammer or inverted hammer, but sometimes the color is red, sometimes the color is green. So how about this area?
where the price changes the color, we only get the those areas where the price color that changes the color. So every time the price is changes the color.
Okay.
Okay, it means where
Yeah.
the price direction is changed and going up, because this is the happened. These things are happened before. Now we are getting at this level for the next when price come to this level. Okay, so this
Okay.
has happened before. It means this operation is happened, but we are here now. Okay, if we are here now, and when price come to this level, it means that we are taking this line. Okay,
I see. Yeah.
so price will come this level. That's why we are taking. It means that this operation is happening. We
Mm-hmm.
cannot make the when the price before any direction changes. We cannot get the support and buyers and sellers do, because the operation is happened before. But we are here, and we are here. Okay, so this
Yeah.
is happened. Happened. It means well, now we are getting from here. When price come to this level, it make a range. In the range, we can follow the rules. Okay,
Okay. All right.
and after that, okay. Now this is another. So this is all about this supply and zone. When you practice, I am here. I will when you not understand the situation, you take the picture and send me. Sir, how I can create a zoom here? You are here, if you are here, so now you are not able to draw the zoom. So take the picture, send me, sir. How I can draw the picture? How I can
Okay.
draw the zoom? So in this way, if there is the price is changing from this line, okay, going up. So this is, we can get this line because this is the morning star. So this is the zoom now.
Yeah.
Okay. So when price
Yeah.
comes to this level, it will react. Okay. So price is not coming this level, but when the company is in this level, we can say. But don't write each and everywhere. Not each and everywhere. Where the price is going down, it means the price is going down here. Now price is reaching here. So now you can find this type of look at. So here the price is reaching this level. Okay. So now we
Yes.
can say this is the level here. Okay, the opening price of this candle, not the lower low. Okay, the higher
Yes.
high of the this price. So now we can say this is the range. Okay, so
Yeah.
when price comes to this level, it will react. It will react. It will make a range. Look at. This is just an idea. This is not a signal. This is just an idea to aware about the market. When price come to this range, it will make a consolidation market. It will make a false breakouts. It will make a uh, unauthorized movements. So when price come to this level, okay, price come this level, reject, reject. So this is the wages. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is very important topic, okay? So this is
Mm-hmm.
very important. You have to study this topic too much. Then you will understand where is the market making this type of confusions. So the market always create the traps for the traders. So that's why traders are losing money. They don't know if we are here. The price is
Okay.
going down. It's not going too much down, but the price is going down from this level. So now we can get the area from this level. So the opening price is here, and the closing and the higher high of this price is here. And this is in a one way and another way. It's working here. Look at okay.
Mm.
But another way is here. We can also use this type of small ranges. So we can say this is the small range. Also, this we can say this is the small range. When price comes to this level, it will work. It make a range. So
Yeah.
it's up to you how the price is going, how the price is convincing you. Which level is best? Upper level is best or below level is best? So this is just about these things. So after that, sellers and buyers trend. So now the next study is coming here. Reversal breakout, pullback, rejections, and chart review. Tomorrow we will study about the reversal. This is a review. I teach you all the things, but just for the review, that reversal, breakout, pullback, rejection, and chart reading I will teach you. But today I teach you 4 to 5 topics. This is the fractal support and dynamic support, sellers and buyers, zoom, trend, and simple ways to detect the trend. So these you cover these things, all things, and study on that. Ask me questions, and then I can clear you. Tomorrow we will read these reversal, breakout, pullbacks, rejections. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Today, how your session? How you feel? Do you get something new
Yeah,
knowledge?
I get so many information, and actually right now I'm a little bit confused about that. That's why. So I have to go on the chart and work on it.
Yes, because these all confusion when you clear, you will be a profitable trader after that. It means each and every basic, these all are the basic information. So this knowledge is not limited knowledge. Then we can
Yeah.
say that we can cover in the 1 month or 2 months, all is completed. No, this knowledge is too much knowledge. We cannot cover in the years. 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, it will go on, go on, go on. It means this the knowledge is just how much you get this knowledge, you will be able to more understand, more understand the market. So this is
Yeah.
just what I am giving you. This is just a basic knowledge because most of the traders they don't have this type of knowledge. This is some topics in the 10 days. So,
Yeah.
but this basic knowledge, if you understand, if this basic knowledge make you profitable trader, the whole knowledge how will make you?
Yeah, 100% will make you.
Yes. So just the basic knowledge of it will make a profitable trader. If you understand 1 year, if you study 1 year this education, 1 year it means the pro trader can make in these 1 year knowledge. So this is all about this thing. So you study, I'm here. Look at now, I'm making the series of that knowledge, but it's not an ending course. This is a now your time is start from the teaching from here in this group from each other. So I say here, I will start soon elite waves concepts in binary options trading.
Yeah.
And some days, this series of learning will start. I will start this series and slowly, I will share with you people that how the Elliott wave is working. Elliott wave, if you understand the Elliott wave, if you understand this thing, this thing, what is this? This is all based on the Elliott wave theory. So how the what size of the waves can appear in the market? So what is the reason of these waves? How the motive wave is appearing? How the corrective wave is appearing? How we count the waves? How we can understand the now the corrective wave will coming
Yeah.
will form. So these are about the market. So there now we are predicting only 1 minute candle. Okay, now we are
Hmm.
giving only 1 minute candle of these concepts. But now I am going to share that knowledge, that time you will predict 5 minutes, 10 minutes. then 10-minute market will goes down. 5-minute market goes down. For 1 hour market will go up. So I am going to enhance the knowledge of your of all the members that how we can understand the 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 20 minute, 25 minute. It means whatever we get a question, we can understand and we can make the strategy, we can make the education that from here the 1 hour market will goes up. So this then we can understand that we are the traders. But this is just a basic concept, basic knowledge what I'm giving you. So, so inshallah, slowly, slowly, all the knowledge I will, what I have in my mind, I will share all the knowledge.
It's very good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, brother. Allah Hafiz. Tomorrow we will
Okay.
see at the same time. Okay.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Allah. Goodbye.